Hello, good morning, good afternoon to everybody. I hope you see the screen and I hope you hear me. So if anybody have any problem, please let me know so I can try to do something with it. But I hope everybody listen me, hear me. So I will start. Uh, so everybody okay? Yeah. No, I don't see anything in chat, so I think it's okay. So I would like to welcome you for today first live webinar of MICOS Telecom, which we created because of the coronavirus issues. We are not allowed to travel, so I think it's very important to connect with our customers this way. We have quite a lot of attendees today, so I'm quite happy that there is a demand for such a webinars. We created three webinars. One is for the FibeRoad system, which is quite new. Second one is fiber distribution hubs, cabinets, and third one is about the multi-dwelling units. So you can assign for these two other webinars. I send it through the emails, so anytime you can sign in, and then we will, it will present, these webinars will be presented by my colleagues Pavel Schuster and Hinek Palucha, who you for sure know because you're there as customers. So it will be for the next week and the second week. So it will be these weeks in a row. So let's start with this webinar. So my name is Jiri Novak. I'm the new market development manager here in MICOS. I would like to mention that please the questions send the questions after this webinar to my email or my colleagues Pavel or Hinek, and we will reply you in a few hours, minutes. And so today we will not do it the way that you can send the chat or ask for the questions online here, but please send it afterwards. So I will start for those who are not familiar too much with the MICOS. There are some attendees from our customers, but they're also invited their partners. So I will be really quick. So we are based in Czech Republic in Prostějov. This is the location. Our history, we started 1990. Now it's a 30 years anniversary of MICOS. We are celebrating this year. We had some divisions during the time, but only MICOS Telecom survived, which we are very grateful. We built a new factory in 2007, and in 2018 we separated MICOS Telecom from other divisions. What recently happened, we merged with a company Preform Line Products, PLP. Maybe all of you or some of you know this company. It's an American company, and now we extend our portfolio with IP68 closures, which is great. And now we are able to offer it also in Europe. I have a short video about MICOS, so have a look. Společnost MICOS byla založena v roce 1990. Její hlavní obchodní činností byla výpočetní technika, telekomunikační technika, vývoj softwarových aplikací a také jsme byli velkým operátorem kabelových televizí zde na Moravě. Z toho důvodu jsme vlastně potřebovali produkty, které se týkaly sítí, zejména tedy koaxiálních a metalických sítí, a proto jsme vybudovali výrobní zázemí, kde jsme začali vyrábět produkty a výrobky pro telekomunikační sítě, zejména tedy pro kabelové televize a pro sítě hlasových služeb. Společnost MICOS patří mezi nejvýznamnější zaměstnavatele zde v regionu. Zaměstnáváme přes 200 lidí a myslím si, že se nám vede velmi dobře. MICOS Telecom je výrobcem pasivních prvků pro telekomunikační sítě, pro metalické sítě a zejména tedy v současné době pro optické sítě.
Naše produkty jsou velice oblíbené na celém světě a vyvážíme do více než 55 zemí. Úspěch našich produktů a výrobků je dán 4 faktory. Za prvé, výrobky jsou navrhovány a vyvíjeny našimi specialisty. Za druhé, jsou vyráběny profesionálními dělníky. Za třetí, jsou prodávány vynikajícími obchodníky v celém světě. A za čtvrté, zisky, které jsou generovány z obchodní činnosti, investujeme zpět do vývoje a do modernizace našeho výrobního zázemí. Naše strategie je v podstatě velmi jednoduchá, dá se vyjádřit jednou větou. Musíme být světová firma. A to je to, co já se snažím všem našim zaměstnancům a partnerům stále a stále opakovat.
V posledních letech došlo v naší firmě několika významným událostem. Jednou z nich je osamostatnění divize Telkom a druhou je připojení majoritního partnera Freeformline Products. Celých 30 let jednatel MICOSu pan Svatoslav Novák vždy připomínal, že musíme být evropskou firmou, což se podařilo. Tento cíl však nestačil. MICOS byl vždy dravá a odvážná společnost, která se snažila dobývat i další nové zahraniční trhy se zapáleným srdcem pro věc. Propojení s PLP se sídlem v Clevelandu byla veliká výzva, jak posunout naši firmu ještě výš. Věříme v naplnění našeho snu, a to je stát se světovou firmou, což v dnešní době se stává již realitou.
Okay, so that was the video about our company, and as you saw that there was some additional material which tells you that we merged with the company PLP. So everything can be found on our website, micostelcom.com. Also, we have a very nice installation videos on the product catalog page. So anytime you are looking for something, for some information or certifications for the products, please work with our website. You will find everything there. So I will start with the FibeRoad presentation. This slide shows variation of our products, and what we are currently doing is that we are able to manufacture anything as a management for these boxes. So we are able to cut the metal as exactly you want. We can create different types of adapter plates, all this stuff. So currently we are cutting in the metal, so we are able to customize these products. What we created is a plastic management. We call it FibeRoad, which I will just put here the pen here. So this is the dark fiber storage, and you have these segments which you click into each other, and you can build the management as you grow, for example. So this management will go into our current products and some future products which we are now developing. This management is quite big, it's bigger, so you are able to nicely work with the fibers inside. You are able to cross from one side to another and enter the tray from different direction. We are able to fit in the PLC splitters, different configurations. We tested, for example, up to 12 small PLC splitters can be fitted in there. So it's really helpful to have it in this position. Also, you see all the T holders here, so you can tie up your buffer tube. And what is really good that you are able to scale, you are able to extend the management by clicking another part to this management and increase the capacity. I just need to click to different slide. I don't know why it's not working. Okay, now. So this green here is the management, and then you are able to click in the splice tray. For example, this splice tray is only for splicing up to 24 splices. I think you are familiar with this product because we are already using it in FTTx line products, Uni. and also in other products in our portfolio. So you are familiar with these. Also, the management can be clicked in a 45-degree angle, which gives you also you can use it in for example, deeper boxes which are not that long. You can place it in a deeper boxes which are shorter. So you can make this angle and click in this tray. Here, these blue sticks, hockey sticks, we call it, these are holding the trays in this position. So this is the splice tray only for the splicing. Another tray which FibeRoad system use is the KM5. The KM5 contains the chassis here, as you see, the plastic chassis, and then inside is a 24 splice count tray, which is quite small, high density, and you are able to fit in 12 SC or 24 LC connections in LC in a duplex. And what is innovative here in this product is that you are routing the patch cords through these side channels to the back of the cabinet box, and it gives you in the cabinet quite nice, neat patch cord management, which is not visible. So you will not cut the fiber, or as we call it, it's spaghetti. So you have plenty of patch cords mixed together. So it's very neat installation and very clean. So also you have this cover which protects the patch cords going to the left or right. Now we created one, and it will be like that. It will be transparent lid, so you are able to see each connection. The same trays, the KM5 trays, can be stacked as on the picture, or again, you can put it in a different angle. The reason also is the depth of the box. You are able to put, you can stack more and more trays on each other, and then you can open it like a book. So you have access for every module, every tray. You can open it up to the bottom one, and you can work on it without interrupting all the splices, other splice trays. The tray which is inside the KM5 module can be also clicked into the management. So you can unclick it from KM5 and then click it, and then you can get more density of the splices. And then you are able to use flatter box because this splice tray is quite small. We are now working also on a KM7 tray, which is for the GPON, which is used with the PLC splitters 1 to 8 or 1 to 16 when you are using LC connections. Again, there is a position here where you can place the splitters, small PLC splitters, and it can be used also with other trays. On this picture, you see how it works with other trays. You are able to fit in any tray I showed to you. So for example, let's say you have patching, so you will use the KM5, and then you want to splice somewhere the splitter input, so you can use this small KM6 tray, so you can combine them. Yeah. So let's go for the products itself. You can find them already in our catalog or MICOS Telecom website. And we have different configurations, and we are using the same boxes. So here you can see, for example, up to 288 splices using the KM4 splice trays, which is the 424 splices each. And what is big benefit of this product? You are able to take out the whole management from the box, and you can do splicing outside of the box and then return it back already installed. We have different sizes of the boxes. So when the capacity, of course, the splices come up, it will be bigger box, as you see here. And also big benefit of this box is that you have plenty space for the slack, extra length of the fiber cables. Now these series are called MDBs, which is MICOS distribution boxes. You will see them quite a lot now, and it will be called MDB. Also, the second name of the box is also like in which box is this FibeRoad management placed. So always MDB box, which box, and then how many splices this product have. Then same box, but we just take out the splice trays and we put there the patching tray. So again, you can use it for splicing only or patching. Again, we have different capacities. In the name, you have MDB FA 2448. 2448 means SC connections in 24 and LC 48. So we have a wall box, multi-dwelling unit box can be for 144 patches, LC connectors. And for example, on this picture, you see how nicely are the patch cords managed. So they are not visible, and then you are going with the patch cords to the back of the box, and then you can make some slack and then go out from the box. All the trays can be flipped, so you are not interrupting the fibers. So for example, if you want to look at this bottom one, you can flip all of them. They will stay up, and then you can work on that on the last one. And again, you can take it out from wall box, and you can install it outside of the box. When we go on the streets, we have these pillars. We call it pedestals pillars. Again, the name is new MDP, MICOS distribution pedestal pillar, up to 432 splices. We have three sizes, as you see, and always is the same base, and then we just add extra height of the box. All the frame can be also removed from that pedestal, from that pillar, so you are able to work outside of the pedestal. Same cabinets we are using also for patching. So here on a picture, you can see how the ABS splitters are placed on the back of the metal, and then it continues to the trays. From this, there is a special hole for that, and you go inside the trays through the channels to the front of the adapter plate. And again, we have up to 144 LC connections, and you can flip it as you see on the picture. And again, you can take it out from the pillar. We are now working also on a version which is called EL. Before it was OZ, and this is EL, which can take more trays, and you can do up to 288 SC connections and double in LC. The FibeRoad system give you few features which are really important also for MICOS and also our customers. Very important for the customers. Once training is done, technicians are using same system across the network. So you don't need to spend a lot of time every time when you buy some new box from different supplier and train exactly how to do it. If you are using our FibeRoad management, which will be placed in multiple levels in all the levels of the network, for example, in buildings, on the streets, inside the data center, then your technicians will know how to install it, and they will just add the trays, and always they will use the same management, and this gives you reduce deployment time because they know how to install it. They will shorten the deployment time. Also the faults, you see that this guy don't have an internet, so when they are using the FibeRoad across the network, they will decrease the faults in the network. And at the end, for everybody, it's important to save your money because of the stock. For example, stocking can be like you have the boxes and you can buy only few trays, and then once you know that you will increase customers, you are able to click in another section, another tray to the wall box or cabinet in the network. So you can place only the trays in your warehouse. You don't need to have the multiple cabinets on your warehouse, so it will also save your money. And what is also important that with the merge of with the PLP group, we have now subsidiaries, 22 subsidiaries around the world, and we can use them. We can place. We will do that. We will place those products, the trays, and all these products to their subsidiaries. So the lead times will be much shorter. So you can expect that also the lead times will be shorter in the future because we are now spread in the world. So this is all I wanted to say. I make it quite shorter because I know that everybody is busy these days. So I think this 20 minutes, I don't know if it was 20 minutes, but it's I think it's better to get a little bit of information. But anytime you can contact our sales team, please send us requests, send us questions. We will answer it. We have some of the products on the stock already, and we are also working on a totally brand new stuff, which will be very interesting for you. We will be renovating some of our products, and we will use this FibeRoad management. So if you have any questions, I'm here to answer, or our sales teams. So I would like to thank you everybody for joining us, and next week on Wednesday there will be presentations about the I am not sure right now if it is fiber distribution hubs or multi-dwelling units, but one of these presentations will be tomorrow with Hinek or Pavel. So you're very welcome to join us, and we are looking forward for next session. Thank you so much.